Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey, your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Okay, y'all? Now, you know it was coming. You knew. And I know you're all wondering, where is it? Why is it taking so long? 1,000 and counting subscribers. Hey, you all? This is not a optional video. It is a compulsory video. In Jamaica we say it's a must. Now, maybe somebody, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna say it. First and foremost, it's not about me. It's about you and I. Therefore it becomes us. It's about us. Now, I've reached out my hand to you all. Yes, half of the way by putting out these cooking videos, Jamaican cuisine. You have embraced me. You have met me halfway and you have held my hand. Now that is the strength. It's the support, and support means a strength. Strength is love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. I love you so much. Now, you know what happened? When I come right here and I look in that camera and I say to you all, hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Now, when I started, my son said to me, it's just a little story time. Mom, you're gonna need an intro. You know? And camera girl is right there behind the cameras, you know. And she said to me, Mom, you don't need an intro. You have an intro. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? She said, Mom, that's your intro. It's who you are. You made it. Now, it's about who you are. Be who you are. Be the real who you are. Be the real person. That's who I am. That's how I know to do it. To come here, to go in depth. That's who I am. To show you how to cook Jamaican. I don't know no other way. And that is what makes it for me. So, from my kitchen to yours, you know it. It's love, it's peace, it's manners and respect, and most of all, it's the family that we are together. 1,000 and I'm not sure, probably 30 something and counting. Now, if that's not love, I don't know what is love. And I want to say right here and now, thank you all. Thank you, camera girl, she's behind the camera. Thanks to my daughter-in-law, Kimmy. Pick up yourself. You know where you are right now. As soon as this video is uploaded, our notification will be turned on and she'll watch it. So we're just this Jamaican family. It's just the Jamaican cooking journey. And I want to say to you, I am so overjoyed. It's just, and somebody would say, baby, how did you do it? Is it hard? No, it's not hard. It is just one word. It's just awesome. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. I love you. And remember, it is not me. It's us. And once more, from my kitchen, from my Jamaican family to wherever you are, your American kitchen, your Japanese, your Canadian, wherever in the Caribbean you are, it's just love. It's just the blessings. Thank you. Thank you so much.